Reports of entangled and injured Steller sea lions in Fanny Bay led to a rescue mission to relieve these suffering animals from ocean debris, mainly consisting of plastic garbage. Personnel must evaluate the location of the animals to develop a plan of action to begin the process. A functional life for a Steller sea lion includes walking, swimming, and diving, and can be greatly impacted if entangled by marine debris. In order to safely capture and begin the rescue and rehabilitation process, the sea lions must be immobilized. Safety is a #1 priority for both the rescue team and the animals. The immobilization process is critical in order to carefully remove entanglement gear and free the animals back into their natural environment. In this scenario, immobilization was carried out with a darting gun, which holds an immobilizing cocktail. Personnel uses binoculars to home in on the affected animal to ensure their target is in clear sight and the gunner is able to connect their shot with the animal. Rescue personnel ensure their safety in the water by remaining in their boat, wearing life jackets and adequate protective clothing, displaying proper identification, and wearing gloves when necessary. From behind, the lead veterinarian carefully untangles the rope from the Steller sea lion's neck, ensuring his hands do not come into contact with the animal's mouth. Immobilization will allow for a close assessment of the animal, giving insight into the severity of injuries, status of releasability, or need for rehabilitation. The boat closely follows the animal post-injection to evaluate the animal's reaction and severity of entanglement injuries. The rescue team remains on the boat to watch the animal and ensure it resumes normal functions once the immobilization cocktail begins to wear off. Professionals carefully examine the removed material and collect it for identification, sampling, and assurance that it does not return to waters, potentially harming other animals.